We're gonna go ahead and boil the peas. Remove the peas take the longest to cook. So now that we have the peas on the fire, we're gonna work on the curry goat first. Jamaican curry powder. So we're adding in, we have ginger powder, we have onion powder, and we have some all-purpose seasoning. This is a, we're using a small amount of coconut oil. Right, so we're adding in some curry powder, burn a little bit. We're gonna add the goat now. We're gonna crush the ginger. So veggies that we're gonna use for the goat. Hey foodies, welcome back to the channel. I'm Alex the Feel Good Chef, and this is the part 2 of me cooking Jamaican food for the first time for my American friends. If you like the video, remember to like, share and subscribe. Part 2 will be pinned in the comment section down below, so do go ahead and check that out as well. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Now let's get straight into the video. Alright, so before you start on the chicken, you have to make sure you get a red stripe there. Red stripe is the only thing I need. Alright, so we have some chicken parts here. We have some mixed parts. So we're just gonna go ahead and remove the tip of the wing from the chicken. And then we're taking off the excess fat. This part here, you have to remove it. This is the liver and the kidney and all of that. So we're not gonna the fatty fat. By fatty fat I mean this part of the fat we're taking off. Oh, there's a mirror there.
There's a mirror there.
Alright, so we have a nice breast here. So we're just gonna cut this in two. Then remove the excess fat again. It's pretty easy. Alright, make sure you remove all of the red part. You ever made Jamaican fried chicken before, yes, sir?
Hardly made chicken before.
Right. Jamaican chicken is a bit different from the regular chicken because it's more juicy. So sometimes you tend to fry it in the pot instead of a deep fryer. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and discard all of this. Alright, so for the chicken, you just want to rinse it off in some warm water. You can use cold water as well. Cold water, warm water, it doesn't matter. So, some people use vinegar to wash the chicken to remove the impurities. Only have apple cider vinegar. So we're just going to skip one part of it. Alright, so we're going to season it in the sink. With the Jamaican chicken now, make sure you remove all of the water, all of the excess water. 2 parts to it. You add the dry seasoning and you also add some veggies like onion and garlic. And then you're going to use part of that to make the sauce. So, we add in some black pepper, all-purpose seasoning. You can add a generous amount of seasoning, of course. We add some Jamaican flavor, Blue Mountain seasoning. This was made in the Blue Mountain. Joke. I don't even know where it was made. Alright, so we add the seasoning. We're not adding any ginger powder because we're not looking for that flavor. So we're adding in some onion powder. You can add garlic powder if you have. You have paprika?
Oops.
This as well. I don't know how it tastes, but it looks good. Add some thyme and we add some scallion. So now we're just gonna go ahead and massage this. Massage it right, you know? Kneading flour. Alright, Esther. So this is what it looks like. So this is the marinated chicken. Need a little bit more salt. When you're making the chicken, you don't have to use any salt because the seasoning is salty enough.
Okay.
So I'm going to let this sit for about 30 minutes. Let them know we're going to let this sit for about 1 hour until the curry goat is near finished. Then we start to fry the chicken. See that it's going to take the same amount of time to cook. So let's get rid of these gloves. I'm going to sit this aside. I mean, safety is a must. You want to make sure that the board is clean. Normally what I should have done though is deal with the veggies first before I do that part. But I'm cleaning the board, I'm going to turn it over. What I'm going to do, I'm going to peel the carrot and remove the skin from it. A vegetable peeler would be good, but if we don't have it, we have to just use what we have. Alright, so we have the carrot cut up. You don't want to use too much water, you just want to use enough just to cover the carrot. So we're going to put this on the fire. Water, go and things over here, man. Alright, so we're going to let this boil for about 10 minutes. Let's check on the goat to see what's going on. So the goat doing its thing. The carrot peas going on. We have a veg. What's this for again? This is for the chicken, for the goat. And then we have the marinated chicken. We're gonna fry this afterwards.
Oh yeah.
Doesn't look bad. Coleslaw now. So we have some white cabbage, red cabbage, and we have carrot, of course. So we're gonna remove this part of it. So we're basically cutting the carrot as fine as we can cut it. It's not the sharpest knife in the world. Get rid of some of this.
A grater, yeah.
But you can cut it as razor thinly as possible. Yeah?
I just might.
Yeah, that would be good. Alright. So with the coleslaw now, so we have the cabbage, we have the red cabbage, we have the white cabbage, we have some carrot. We're gonna go ahead and add some sugar to this now. Alright, so with the Jamaican coleslaw, we have everything now. So we're adding some sugar. Then we're gonna add some apple cider vinegar. Normally, we use the Jamaican cane sugar, but in this case, we're using the apple cider vinegar. Alright, if we had raisins, we'll just go ahead and add some raisins as well. So there's no mayo involved, it's a sugar and vinegar. You could add some salt as well if you like. This should be good. So we're gonna leave this in the fridge to marinate, and what will happen is gonna get a little soft. So come take a look what's going on here. So this is how it looks. How will this look?
Looks good.
Yeah, man. So this is
It's
gonna.
colorful.
Yeah. So the vinegar is gonna break down the cabbage, and it's gonna become a little soft. So we're gonna place this in the fridge now, and we should be good. So basically, how far are we into it now? So the only thing that we have left to do is to wait until the peas cook, then we check back on the goat. So. Alright. I think we can go downstairs and take a break.
All right.
Alright, I'm gonna turn the fire off on the carrot. Carrot is cooked. See what's going on over here with the goat. Peas still tough. So we're just gonna allow this to cook for a few more minutes. I'm gonna add some more water and allow it to cook.
Now we're good.
We have the peas ready, so I'm now gonna go ahead and season it up. One thing though, don't drink beer, have conversation and cook. Yeah, because some of the peas they kind of cook too much. Alright, so we add some more water to the peas. We're now gonna go ahead and add the veggies, the seasoning, and the coconut milk. Let's add some salt. We're adding about a tablespoon of salt. Instead of the butter, we're going to use some coconut oil. Alright, so we're going to bring this to a boil and then we're going to add some rice. Alright. Go ahead taste this. Needs a little bit more salt. You have more salt?
More than what's in there?
Yeah.
No.
Alright, then that's it.
Like I said, I can also literally 3 blocks away jump off and get more.
No, that's alright.
Okay.
Too much salt is not always good. So, we have the goat going. Again, don't be drinking beer and cooking. Learn it the hard way. The goat is good still. Good.
You excited to eat some Jamaican food?
Yeah.
We're still rolling. Just let me know.
Alright. I think I want to switch over the fire.
Okay.
The rice and peas at the back. The goat at the front. And I'm going to put this here to fry the chicken. So we can go ahead now and fry the chicken. Alright. So the oil, you're gonna go ahead and season the oil. So we're adding in a hot pepper, we're adding some garlic, and we're also adding some pimento. So this is gonna give the oil additional flavor. We're gonna season the flour now, right? So we have the flour, we're adding some chicken seasoning, we're adding some onion powder, also adding some of your favorite seasoning. So we're gonna coat the flour, coat the chicken in this, and then we're gonna fry it. And make sure that the oil is hot but not too hot. You don't want to burn the chicken. Alright, so we go from, so let's fry the chicken, the thighs first, the leg and thigh first. So adding in a piece of breast. So we did two batches, right? So we're frying this first and then we fry the next batch. Okay. Alright, so we're just letting that cook. Alright, so while this is going on, we can go ahead now and as soon as the rice starts to bubble up, as soon as the rice water starts to bubble up, we're gonna go ahead now and add the rice. We're gonna wash the rice and pour in it, and we should be good to go. Very simple. You think you could manage this by yourself?
Yeah, I think so.
You can almost smell it. Let me know, are you team wash rice or you're good with just adding your rice to the pot? How you normally do?
The little I know about cooking, wash the rice.
Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and wash the rice.
Yep.
This about maybe pound and a half of rice. When you're washing the rice, basically what you're doing is just removing some of the starch. It's not necessarily to get it clean because the rice is clean, so you're removing some of the starch from it. to strain off the salt water. Put the rice and peas water. We're just going to go ahead and pour in all of that. Here's the trick to the rice and peas. Like, so the rice and peas, oh, you know if you have enough water in it, you want to make sure that it's 1 inch above the rice. So you can see that this is about 1 inch. So you make sure the liquid is 1 inch above the rice, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that way you have enough liquid in there. So let me taste this, make sure it's good. Alright, you can taste the coconut flavor from the coconut. Alright, let's add some more. Remember, we're not adding any butter, we're just using the coconut oil. You can also add a small amount of sugar. Alright. Cover this and reduce the fire so that it doesn't burn. Alright, that's good to go. Remember, let's clean as you go. So while this is going on, I'm just going to clean up, let this fry, then I'm going to make the carrot punch for you. And in the carrot punch, what are we going to use? Just some cooked carrot and some guineas.
Mmm.
Chicken still going strong. We're not in any rush, so we're just going to let this cook until it's brown on each side. So we're not in any rush, so we're just going to let this stay. Now let's work on the guineas punch, the carrot punch.